Hiya, another video from Daniel John, and this is part 2 of our day 1 on our allotment. To be honest, there's a lot of rubbish here, a lot of stones, a lot of glass and everything, but the environment is absolutely brilliant, so I can't moan at that, and it's in a really good spot, this one. What we decided to do is, rightly or wrongly, is pop a load of weed barrier down, because this ground just keeps giving and giving. You can see all the stones there. That's just a few of them that have come up the ground. Bags and bags of glass. I think it was used as a bit of a tipping burning area before, but we are getting there, slow but sure. So end of day 1, we're getting there. Any suggestions, ideas, what we can do with this space would be appreciated. The little bit at the back there you see over the fence, they're going to plant some fruit trees, which is quite nice. Anyway, thanks for watching. I hope this is of interest to somebody, and we'll keep you updated with really how we're moving along. Thanks for watching.